With the amount of time many users spend on social media, it's no surprise that businesses are meeting them there and that social media advertising has increased considerably over the last few years. All of the major platforms offer ad space because companies recognize the revenue potential. When businesses engage in social media advertising, they pay for content to be delivered through social media networks. It's not only the number of users that drive companies to advertise on social media. There are many other factors that contribute to this trend. First, advertising on social media is cost-effective. Advertisers often pay by the click, so this allows them to only be charged when someone is engaging with their brand. Another factor is that social media advertising allows for specific targeting. Not only do companies have access to lots of customer data, but they can push their advertisements to those users whose data indicates they are a good match. This maximizes the return on their advertising investment. And social media offers many types of ad formats. Companies can choose to advertise via text, image, or video. Social media advertising also provides a variety of platforms to choose from, allowing companies to pick and choose those that will be most advantageous to their brand and products. It also provides them access to the highest number of likely potential customers. Because so much data on the user base exists for each platform, companies know exactly who they are reaching when they choose to advertise on a particular social media platform. Different platforms also have different ways of promoting your brand. For example, LinkedIn enables companies to send a message ad, previously called a sponsored InMail, which are personalized messages sent directly to the inbox of their target audience. Twitter offers promoted tweets and trends that appear in users' feeds. Similarly, Pinterest uses promoted pins, which allows certain content to be seen by more users. On Facebook, businesses can advertise in a variety of formats. Two common formats are Canvas and Carousel. The Canvas ad format allows a brand to tell a story on a simple creative canvas using a combination of text, images, or video. The Carousel format showcases up to 5 clickable images or videos within a single newsfeed ad. Because Instagram is owned by Facebook, they offer similar advertising formats, including Instant Experience, a format that displays images or videos in an immersive full-screen experience for users. Snapchat offers Snap Ads. These are 10-second video ads or sponsored lenses between stories. Special effects can be applied in real time using face detection for Snapchat. Another social media advertising format that has emerged on YouTube is TrueView, which is a video ad format that displays for a short period of time before the user's selected video starts. Users see the beginning of the advertisement and can choose to see the full ad or skip and go directly to the video they want to see. This not only gives the customer options, it also benefits the advertiser because they are only charged if users choose to watch the full advertisement. Once a business has decided on the social media platform that they want to leverage, they can take it one step further by audience targeting. Audience targeting allows you to target your ads to specific audiences based on their lifestyle and interests, demographic, location, type of device, and many other factors. Social media is an ever-evolving landscape, with new platforms emerging regularly to meet users' needs. Marketing on them requires businesses to be willing and able to evolve, too, in order to find and satisfy their customers.